step into the Ford 2011 F-150. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include rear-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, conventional spare tire, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, AM/FM stereo, pass-through rear seat and rear bench seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.